Be careful too close to this edge though, because that stuff erodes quick.
So we're filming, went down some trails and we come to this. Dalton's walking out to test it. I'm doing it! Alright boys, we're giving it a shot. I'm gonna give it a shot first, and then Alex might do it.
He's gonna do it. He's taller.
We have no toe straps, but we'll give it a shot. Alright, I'm handing off to Matt. Matt's gonna film, and I want to see if I can get across.
How you feel, Dalton? Are you scared? Hey, will you hand me my cell phone? Brian. Thank you. We're going raw in.
Let's when you guys get like pictures of it, like when I'm in the middle of it, get some pictures of it. Okay, yeah.
Go! Our turn, Alex.
Oh my goodness.
How do you feel about your turn?
I have no words. No words.
Lift it even higher though. You got this.
Man, I'm nervous. I'm not even gonna lie. I don't. Oh god.
Oh, damn.
I'm nervous.
Nervous?
I'm nervous for real, yeah.
Can it do it, boys? Here we go.
Oh, let's do it.
It's probably at that angle, right?
Probably, yeah.
Don't be clean the truck.
Here we go. Let's get it.
I had to take my glasses off for this.
How deep did it get? I can't see it.
All the deep.
Dude, it felt deep, did it not? Yeah.
That's what she said.
Hey.
I got a little scared like when he got like noticed to do that.
Oh.
Here we go. Hold this camera for a minute.
Do I put the windows up? What do you think? Subscribe to me. That wide bow tie. That wide dot bow tie. Instagram, YouTube. Check me out. Oh, so you can see this. I'm so nervous.
Put the rear windows up. Leave the front down. Behind the scenes.
I gotta go into it straight.
Yeah. Go and do it in 4 low.
4 low?
Yeah, with tow haul on.
This makes me so freaking nervous.
It's not that bad.
I gotta put it in neutral to do 4 low.
Yeah.
Here we go. And it takes the traction control off?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so freaking nervous. You have no idea.
Here we go.
Why is it revving so much?
Because it's in 4 low. It's like he's testing them.
Oh damn.
Let's get this bread, baby! Oh, I hate that so much.
We did it, no problem.
We did it, baby! Let's go! Okay. The water for some pictures. Have fun! Sorry, I'm not going back in. Going the first time.
4-wheel drive boosted launch out of the water. He's gonna come up this way, so I'd move this way. Casey just comes straight.
Not me. Yeah, you're good. You're good.
You won't do it? Huh? You won't do it?
Hell no, I ain't gonna do that. That was really.
All right, boys. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. A little boosted launch in that little mud hole slash river slash whatever the hell it is. Amazon River.
Something like that.
Did not get stuck. Alex was a little scared to go through it. He went through it. I did a boosted launch through it. You guys will see, as you guys seen in the video, it was pretty high up. It's pretty high up on the front bumper. Wasn't up to the intake though, so we should be good. That was fun. I'm gonna bring the Duramax out here too. If you guys want me to do the Duramax out here and do some mudding, some more extreme mudding, let's get this video to 1,500, 2,000 likes, 1,500 likes.
1,500.
We'll do something small because I'm, 1,500 likes. I'll bring the Duramax back out here and I'll also bring the 12 valve. And we'll do like a mudding comparison between the two. So my big Duramax on 40s versus this 12 valve Cummins, and it's on 33s and they're all terrains. So probably not gonna do as well as my Duramax, but it'll be a cool video. So right now we are heading on back to get Matt's truck.
Gotta go all the way back.
He's got the big white Duramax, the really loud one. And so we're gonna go get that, get some pictures, and then we're gonna call it a day. It's about to get dark. But yeah, that was fun. I'm glad we found that at the end. Oh god, there's some more mud. All right.
The original
guys.
trail was too much.
There's some good mud right here.
Ooh.
1,500 likes on this video. Alex is gonna put his truck in. No, Alex will go through that. I'll go through it. Matt, will you go through it?
I'll go through it.
Matt will go through it. 1,500 likes. If you can get Matt, try to get Matt to 4,000 on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm trying to hit 4K.
Yeah, so 4K.
You need 700. Come on.
You need 700. And yeah, if this video gets 1,500 likes, I'll run through that mud with my Duramax, and Alex will run through it with his Silverado, the 1,500 behind us, and then Matt will run through it with his
Duramax.
08 Duramax on 40s. So that'll be a fun video.
Yes,
But
it will.
I will see you guys over at Matt's truck, and like I said, we're gonna get some pictures, and then we're gonna roll on out.
See if the old gasser can do it.
Gasser Kenneth. That sounds sick when it does that.
Yes, it
Little
does.
turbo part. You have to do it for Dale. Needs to get a little bit more speed. Like,
Be honest, was he shitting at some of those trails?
ooh, he's got it. Perfect.
There we go.
That was fun running it through the little river, mud river there, whatever you want to call it. And now we're about to head on back to the house, get something to eat real quick, and call it a day. But I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like I said, get this video to 1,500 likes. We'll go do some pretty good mudding. Of course, we're not going to bury the trucks and completely destroy them. But, mudding's always fun, no matter what mud it is. We'll get Matt to do it right there, the big 08 D-Max there. We'll get Alex in the 1,500 right there to go in there, and of course me and my Duramax will go, and then we'll probably bring the 12 valve in it one of these days as well. So 1,500 likes. I know you guys can do it. Share this video, whatever you have to do. Let's make it happen, and I'll make sure that video is unbelievable. So thank you guys for watching. If you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Give this video a like, of course. Turn on the post notifications, and we will see you next time.